In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice typing on your Samsung keyboard. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Now scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now scroll down until you find Voice Input. Tap on Voice Input, then choose the voice typing option you want to use. You may see options like Samsung Voice Input or Google Voice Typing, depending on your phone and keyboard settings. Select the one you prefer. After that, go back and open any app where you can type, like Messages, Notes, or WhatsApp. Tap inside the text box to bring up the Samsung keyboard. Now look for the microphone icon on the keyboard toolbar. Tap the microphone icon, then start speaking. Your Samsung phone will automatically convert your voice into text. If you don't see the microphone icon, tap the three dots on the keyboard toolbar, and you may find the microphone option there. And that's it. This is how you can enable and use voice typing on Samsung keyboard. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Samsung tutorials.